Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mark yourself as busy on the Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. This lets you create a new event. After that, tap on event. This is where you will set your busy time. Give your event a title, something like busy meeting or focus time. Then choose the start and end time for when you will be unavailable. Now scroll down until you see the availability section or the busy option. This tells Google Calendar to mark you as unavailable for that time. Once everything looks good, tap the save button at the top right corner. The time is now marked and busy on your calendar. And that's it. That's how you show yourself as busy on Google Calendar mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.